Okay, good evening. Welcome to our weekly charting session. Daming movers ulit for last week, daming opportunities. For this week, maraming lumalabas na momentum stocks again, emerging from the list. But we will also focus on the core list that yung mga mas gusto natin. Okay? Para hindi tayo malito dahil maraming gumagalaw. Okay? Rotational, whether kahit anong bilhin mo last week, may malaking chance na kikita ka ng pera. Pero as we all know, yung mga hindi totoong move, mag-fade yun. So, mamaya akala mo, okay, you're parang Superman effect. Then, meaning nun, bibili ka, tapos kumita ka, bili ka ulit, kita ka, kahit anong bibilin mo, kikita ka ulit. So, we want to avoid getting caught in that. So, we still have to rely on technical analysis. And then, we will time our entry sa mga stocks na alam nating malakas or ang lakas ng galaw na hindi ko nahuli, marami na akong ganun. So, the best way to catch them will be timing our entry, which is waiting for their pullback, waiting for the flag or a small consolidation. So, okay, let's pag-usapan na natin yung index, okay? Okay. So, ito yung last week. Grabe itong, so nung Thursday, sobrang laki ng down natin. Down 7% for one day. That's one of the biggest down days. Ito yung dati pa, March 27 yung huli. Tapos ngayon, after almost 2 weeks, nagkaroon ng sobrang laking down. And next, din nakita natin nag-bounce back. Meaning, bilang kasi pag walang news to nung sinabi nila nag-rate cut tapos hindi umakyat yung US market, syempre bababa to, may chance of puntang 5.3 which is a 20-day MA, pero puro good news yung lumabas, lakas ng futures ng America, sinabi nila in control yung COVID. That's why on Friday nag-reverse bigla ang PSE. So that's up 4% bigla. Diba? So binawi niya. Okay, so we'll discuss first the momentum with technicals. Okay, so unahin natin to. Ito low volume, MAH. Okay, so what do we expect here? This has no momentum yet. This has no momentum yet, but we saw a big spike, and then we have a 2-day pause. Okay, so if ever bibilin natin to, what you want is you can buy at 1.8, okay, 1.8, and put your stop at 1.6 na lang, okay? Okay, if ever, okay? But this will be, in chances, in probabilities na to, mas maliit because of the momentum is only at 16, meaning there's no momentum yet. So meaning, baka nag-pop lang dito, and then this move can fade down. But if the market sentiment is good, it can move higher. So we can call this an aggressive buy at 182 and put the stop at 161. But if you want to be sure, you can put your buy stop at 191, buy trigger at 191, and then put your stop at 160. That's a 30 cents cut. Okay? Okay. Malinaw? Malinaw. Okay. Next is Maxis. Check natin siya. Okay, so ito medyo hindi ko siya gusto dahil ang laki ng inakyat. Okay, umakyat ng 60%. Target, di ba sinasabi ko, parati the initial target will be that 50-day MA. Okay? 50-day MA. Okay, so what do you expect here? Sana mag-coil muna dito. Sideways consolidation before mag-move up. But if you are very, very aggressive, pwede kang bumili bukas sa, let's say, 680 and put your stop here at 620 if you are aggressive. And kung gustong-gusto mo talaga yung stock na to. But ako, I'm not rushing because marami pang iba na pinaprioritize ko. Okay, moving on. Since nandito tayo sa sector na to, consumer sector, let's move on to Shakey's. Okay, Shakey's did not reach the target. Okay? Shakies did not reach the target of 50-day. Okay, so ngayon nagpo-pause dito. So we can zoom in and this can go down to 550, but it can pause. If this goes up tomorrow at 6.2, you can put a trigger there. Put your cut here at around 590 just to be safe. It's a super close range. The reason why bakit mas gusto ko to dahil hindi pa siya tumatama dito sa 50-day MA. So from here, if ever papunta doon, if ever pupunta tayo doon sa 50-day, meron pa tayong 15% upside at least, okay, sa pizza. So if ever pipila ako Maxes or pizza, medyo pizza ako, okay? Pizza. Okay? Dun tayo sa pizza. Okay. Up next is ano ba bang restaurant nandito sa Philippines? Jollibee. Okay. We'll talk about Jollibee. See, this again, pinag-usapan ko ng Wednesday sa midweek charting session. It hit that 50-day resistance. Okay, so this is in uptrending move. So if you want to buy this, you can buy it tomorrow, but the upside will be limited. So if this goes up tomorrow, you can buy it. Buy trigger will be 146. And then our cut loss will be 141.5. It's going to be a fast trading position. And then expect this resistance at 151. So medyo risk reward natin dito is not that good, favorable. Medyo 1:1. But then anything can happen. Pwede naman bumuntang 170 yan, di ba? If the market sentiment is better. So that's the game plan for Jollibee, Shakey's, and Maxes. Okay? So we saw itong mover na to, tech, di ba? Sorry, hindi ko ito masyadong pag-usapan last week. But ito, nakita natin, kalakasan niya dito. Nagkaroon ng setup and then mag-breakout sa 7. Boom! So dito ako nakabili sa breakout na tong day na to. Okay, so main news to with that volume. If you click here, the side, meron pala silang COVID test kits. I mean, gumagawa sila ng parang part ng tester ng COVID, ginagawa nila. So nagkaroon ng bilang hype doon. So that's why umakyat. Okay? So that's a breakout price. So anong gagawin natin dito? This is a good action. So eventually, itong 4th day of up, nagkaroon ng profit taking. Natural lang yan dahil 585 papuntang dito sa high, almost 10, 70% up na yan. So ano pa yung gusto mo? 70% up. So anong gusto natin mangyari dito? We will wait for that pullback which will be something like this. Sana pwedeng ganito. Scenario 1. 1, 2. Buy. Boom. Ganon. Okay. Scenario 2. Bukas. Boom. Bili tayo dyan. Scenario 3. Bili tayo. Pag nag-break dito sa 950 area. Okay. Now. Okay. Consumer again. IMI sumusunod dun sa move ng tech. Okay. Again, we saw reversal pattern here, and then it consolidated here, forming a tight consolidation and moving up. So this has no news. So we can see sana dito mag-consolidate muna before a full reversal to take place. So monitor ko lang muna yung IMI, but will not be a priority. Okay, up next is PureGold. This is the momentum stocks. Ito, so from the COVID, sell off after na-realize ng tao, lahat ng tao nag-grocery. It's up 58%, okay? And higher pa siya than the start of the year. Start of the year, ano lang siya eh, 39 or 40, ngayon 46 na. So I bought this last Friday. Bakit? Kasi nagkaroon ng entry point here, which is what ito yung gusto kong bilhin. So this is the pullback. I entered here. So let's see if it goes to 48. Retest tayo sa 48. Okay, so with higher momentum, given this ADX is at 45, this is the pattern that I like. So binili ko siya. Okay. So pwede pa bumili tomorrow. Put your cut at 44 just to be sure. And then good luck. Dito Telecom, hindi ko sure talaga ba tumakat to, no? So I wasn't paying attention earlier here in this early stage. This stage, hindi ko pinapansin to, but I saw it here. Zoom in, and then nakita ko tong, ito na yung sinasabi ko, pullback, bibili ako after ng day na to. Pero I failed to trigger it at 192. I failed to trigger it here at 192. That's why I missed out on the move, right? I wasn't prepared to buy this. I was focused more on blue chip companies. That's why na-miss ko siya. Okay? Anyway, this should be kept in the watch list because ADX is going up. It's now above 30. So, bantayan natin yan. Baka bukas umakyat ulit yan eh. So, pwede mangyari dyan, bukas umakyat. Boom. O, pwede pa umakyat ulit. And then, pero after that, pwede magkaroon ng profit taking. And then, from there, we can enter. Okay? But I'm not gonna enter tomorrow or anytime soon. Okay. CNPF. Nothing happening here, but lumabas lang bigla sa screener. Meralco, reversing, but nothing here. GGS is doing consolidation here, so I'm watching it very closely. Let's talk about the blue chip companies. Okay, BDO is also doing the same thing, so I'm watching this very closely. After this, after the initial fall, after the initial fall, it's consolidating here. Okay, so may chance pumuntang 50-day MA. Pag pumuntang 50-day MA yan, that's at least 15%. So I'm just watching this closely. But I saw Metro Bank last Friday. I bought that last week. Bakit? Kasi nagkakaroon ng, I drew a consolidation pattern here. Dito sa high niya sa 40. Okay? Yan. Or itong, kahit the other day nag-break out as nag-pause. So ito, bumili ako above 40. So yan. Hopefully, this is the laggard sa bank. Hopefully, it goes to 48 at least. No? 47 to 48. That's at least 10 to 15% hopefully this week. Okay? Bumili ako niyan. 41.50. Okay? So, I put my stop at 40 because that's the breakout price here. That's the firm support. $40. Yan. Ito. So, 40, 40, 40, 40, nahirapan, tapos lumusot. Okay? Ayan. So, yan yung mga yung stars natin, yan yung resistance line. Okay? Okay? Linaw. Okay. ICT, this is the trade last week na in-explain ko rin dun sa charting, when this is forming a base. Here, binili ko dito sa 77. up, tapos hindi ako naka-take profit masyado, pero binenta ko na dito, 81. Hindi ko nabenta sa high. Okay? So, this is the resistance, then boom, breakout. So that's when you want to buy it. So now you can see after the panic, it's still holding above the resistance, above 78.4. So pwede kang bumili bukas and put your stop at 78.4. Buy at 80.5, 78.4. That's around $2. $2 risk with a reward of possible 15. $2 to 14, that is 1:7 risk reward ratio. So baka may chance balikan ko to bukas, okay? Okay. Moving on. SM Prime and Ayala Core, Ayala Land, okay? So we can see this is testing the resistance. We'll draw one line here. And we'll draw a ray. Okay, so this is going towards the resistance. Okay, gawin natin ulit yung star natin. Ching, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so hopefully this one will pierce through the resistance tomorrow and hit around 34, near 34. So be careful kung bibili ka bukas kasi resistance. Pero pag nag-pierce yan, it will be around another 8%. So ako, nakabili ako sa 29, which is around at this area. Okay. Diyan, bumili ako dito. Tapos, binenta ko na yung half. And then tomorrow, I might sell the other half. Okay. Let's check out Ayala Land. Ayala Land is below the range, so you can buy it near here, near the support 30, higher end is 34, but bantay lang natin muna to, okay? I bought GTCAP, ito yung na-late ako, okay? So, tinitingnan ko to dito sa may 400, tapos na-late ako, na-miss ko tong move na to. Na-miss ko tong move na to. Okay, so nagkaroon ng pause day. Nagkaroon ng pause day na red. So I bought it here at 474. And then I put my stop at the low of this red candle, 440, 450. Right? So umakyat. So hopefully my target will be this 50-day MA again. So you can buy it tomorrow. Target will be 20% pa sana. Okay? If the market still continues. So hopefully the market continues up. ABS-CBN, nasa list, wala naman nangyayari. Speculative, ABA, forming a nice setup. This one is piercing through the reversal, breakout, and then we have our pullback 1, 2, 3, green. So what will we do? I will buy this tomorrow at 58 or 59. 58 or 59 ako bukas. Enter this at 58, 59. Put my stop here at the low, 55 para safe. Volatility, so that's 58. Cut is 55, 3 cents. 3 cents cut. The resistance will be here at the previous high. Okay, so 3 cents yung cut, 58. Cut niya 55, 3 cents. 58 to 63. So that's 1:2, or at least 67, 1:3 risk reward if this continues. Okay, so another mover will be ACEX. May disclosure that they will have parang drilling soon. Dapat meron na kasi they discovered an oil gas, may positive sa gas. That's why it went up 3 days ago. So, baka meron talagang laman. So, that's why it burst surge here. Ito yung surge na yun. And then we saw the volume picking up, now clearing the 50-day MA. So, what we want for this to happen, if we want to enter it, we want this to settle down here. Form a new base. And then baka breakout. Okay? So, this is it might take longer, but it's above the 50-day na ulit. First time above the 50-day for a long time since January. So this might be a good chance to have some bargain hunting. Okay. Ano ba? So telcos, you want this to consolidate first. Globe. Yun, laki ng candle. So you want this to consolidate and quiet down first. PSEI. It's forming a consolidation, so I'm doing the box here. So resistance at 65. Ayaw. So we can buy on support and resistance. Bakit? Kasi yung support and resistance nila malalaking range. 10% yung ranges ngayon since volatile yung market. But so yun, dami natin na-tackle, no? So I'll try to update you guys again on Wednesday, some movers, but keep in mind our list. Sorry, I forgot one more stock, URC. Before we, this is one of my picks sana. So I was expecting this to go down one more candle. So given the first two red candles, I was expecting it. Bias ko was going down here near 110. That's why I didn't pull the trigger yet. And then Friday, it went up here. In chart, medyo alanganin ako dyan. So I didn't buy it yet. But we want to monitor this again. So you just have to think, okay, connected din to, DNL, okay? Another chart, reversal, momentum tawag ko dito. See, pero it's going to the 50-day MA na. And after this is the reversal pattern at the low. So it broke out dito, nagko-consolidate siya ngayon. Ito yung consolidation pattern sa ilalim. Ngayon, nagko-consolidate. So may chance umakyat. So you can buy it here at $6. Cut is 550. So 10% cut. Sizing na lang ang kulang. Another chart is home. This is a consumer stock. May Villar, di ba? Nagbebenta rin ng goods. So, news. No news here. All home. Okay, so ano nangyari? Nagkaroon ng reversal. Momentum reversal. Why? Because of this reversal, pag 34% up siya, tapos nagkaroon ng profit taking, and then first green candle. So I'm going to be buying it here at 5.9, and I put a firm stop here at 5.44. Okay, if I'm going to buy something, this is also one of my top lists because it has a chance to go here at the 50-day. 7.6. May chance naman, parati, just as long as you put your stop at 544. So gusto ko rin to. Okay, but I bought some shares also on Friday. So let's see what happens this week. Um, yes, so yung tinatawag natin COVID theme because in the US lahat ng quarantine stocks umakyat. Lahat nag-shopping online, e-commerce, wala namang e-commerce masyado dito sa Philippines. So yung mga Amazon, home shopping, yan, umakyat. So, in the Philippines, ano bang ginagawa natin? Bukas lang naman yung grocery. Pure Gold, that's why can see Pure Gold rising up. Sobrang lakas. Okay? Okay, so, anong binibenta ng Pure Gold? Yung mga ginagawa ng URC. Okay, so products of URC. Yung Jollibee, hindi ko rin sure ba't umaakyat yan. Pero, baka maraming bumibili ng chicken frozen, but I'm not really sure it's a direct play. Direct play will be URC kasi yan yung mga chichirya, C2, lahat yan binibili for relief goods also, binibenta sa Pure Gold. And then DNL is consumer chemical food tech. Okay, so this is also related to that. And then you can see Globe and Tel being a very, very strong stock kahit na may quarantine dahil sila yung mga ginagamit ng tao sa bahay, internet. Then you can see Meralco, syempre lahat ng mga tao yung mga gamit pa rin ng electricity. Okay, another consumer that I want to stress out is San Miguel. This has a consumer business, pero baka yung affect din sa liquor ban. But this is a profit taking, and I can see this go up kahit sa 112. That's around 12%. So if you see an opening tomorrow, 102, buy at 102, stop at 99. That's a small cut. Okay? So from last week, biglang ang dami natin biglang picks na lumalabas, nag-emerge. So patience lang naman, no? So unti-unti nakikita natin mga trends, and then we can see, pag nakita natin yung mga max, we can see opportunities. GT Capital, naglalag siya sa mga ibang stocks. So pwede rin. Metro Bank, laging bilang nag-breakout, bumili tayo. Bilang tech, nagkaroon ng news sa COVID. So, meron na tayong momentum stocks in play. So, iba-ibang biglang dumadami. So, just be patient with the trades and it will come. Okay? Just be, chart lang tayo ng chart every day. Okay? I'll try to update you guys on Twitter also and posting some charts. Posting some charts dun sa mid-week charting. Ay, may nakalimutan pala ako. Ito pala, bumili rin ako ng WLCON because lagging din to no? So, it consolidated here at the bottom. So, I just want to share the trade just for reference. Yan, tagal na consolidate dito sa area na yan. Actually, dito lang. So yung lag, nakita ko yung volume dito. So, bumili ako dito. Okay? So, I bought it at 12.8, 12.9, and then now it's at 15, about 15%. Kitang-kita ko na yung target dito sa saan? Sa yellow line, which is this. But of course, minsan hindi naman tumatama talaga doon. So we need to take some profits off the table because it's already up 15% in the last 4 days. I took some profit already, and if tomorrow umakyat pa siya, I might take some more. If it doesn't go up, I might sell everything and wait for another entry point. Okay? So, yun, dami natin pinag-usapan. Hopefully, we make money this week. Malakas yung Dow last Friday night. So we expect one more push, or I expect one more push on Monday before mag-correct. Pero I'm sure tomorrow will be an up day. So let's keep our eyes open for opportunities. Good luck for the week. Stay safe. Drink plenty of vitamins. We'll get through this. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Good night. Bye-bye.